Afarian here, GregAfarian.com and Virtual Media Realty. Your realtor in the Andover area, Essex County, Merrimack Valley, Greater Boston. How you doing? Hope you're well. I'm back. I had a slight problem. My old camera broke. I was trying to get it fixed, and it wasn't really cooperating with me, so got a new one. Back in action, doing my market report this past week, week of the 14th through the 18th. The past month we've had, pretty volatile, and it was good to see that the market sort of stabilized, and that's definitely something that we want to see. Stability is always a great thing for the market. Volatility is something that if you take advantage of it, you can make quite a bit of money, but a lot of people don't have that stomach to withstand that pain. It's been a good week. Market right now, it's around noontime, is up 250 points for the week, so that was pretty good. This week is really, the news, the media, everything is focusing on the oil spill, BP's oil spill. And I understand, it is a big deal, biggest catastrophe since Katrina. Really unfortunate. I feel for all the people out there in the Gulf region, and I'm deeply saddened for their loss. May Producer Price Index came out this week, and it was down 3%. The core rate for May was up 0.2%. And, a lot of people were saying, that you can't have inflation with high unemployment. So I think that that's a great... May housing starts came out, and it was down 10%. And that was a huge number. Again, they're talking about the homebuyer tax credit affecting these figures. And housing starts are actually when they actually start the construction. May building permits came out as well, and that was down 5.9%. So in the building permits is actually when they actually file for the permit. So weak numbers. Going with that theme, the homebuyer tax credit, because these numbers are greatly impacted by the popular program, the homebuyer tax credit program. They're trying to extend the closing date so that anyone that was in a transaction, they're trying to make this pass in the House, and the president has to sign it as well, but they're trying to extend it till September 30th. I don't know. I think that's a really far, that's a really long time period to extend it. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, the popular quasi-government entities that fund most of these mortgages out there, they voluntarily delisted themselves because their stock price came less than $1 a share. They're going off the Dow. So I thought that was interesting. Some figures on jobless rates from state to state. And I thought that this was quite interesting and actually a real positive. There are 25 states that are actually below the national average of unemployment of 9.7%. And I thought that was pretty good. The highest states that have unemployment, number one was Nevada, which is 14%. And Nevada became the first time it's passed Michigan since April of 2006. I thought that was interesting. Michigan is still right behind there. It's at 13.6%. California, 12.4%. And Rhode Island, 12.3%. Thought that was pretty interesting. The lowest states was North Dakota at 3.6%, South Dakota at 4.6%, and Nebraska at 4.9%. Again, I thought that was really interesting. I don't know what they're doing to create jobs in North and South Dakota, but obviously it's working. And then today, initial jobless claims came out. And these are new claims, and they were up 12,000 to a seasonally adjusted 472,000. 30-year fixed rate national average is at 4.82%, and the 15-year fixed rate average is at 4.23%. Last month we've had May. I feel that this week was a pretty good week, pretty optimistic with some figures. I mean, the housing figures aren't great. The oil problem isn't good, but all in all, the market stabilized, and that's good. High gold, that's definitely a weakness there. Man, it's out of control. And if I was to be betting, I'd be betting that gold is going to be taking a nosedive. That's my opinion. I mean, I just feel that things don't go up forever. Stocks to watch. I mean, Apple has been on a tear again. Their new iPhone. I think they had said that it took, I don't know how many orders, but it's just crazy numbers. iPad's doing crazy numbers as well. I still think that in order for the iPhone to continue, I mean, they need to switch carriers. I mean, I would love to trade this in for an iPhone. I got Verizon, and I don't know. I mean, I don't like buying stocks at highs like Apple, and I would be betting that one hiccup and the stock is poised to go down. So I'd be careful with that. Greg Afarian, GregAfarian.com, and Virtual Media Realty. Let me know if you have any questions, if you'd like to see anything. Wishing all the fathers. I'm a new father. Happy Father's Day, and hope you're doing well. Take care. Out for now.